Hello everyone, this is Miss Math Nerd, and this is a tutorial on graphing a y equals equation on a TI-83 calculator. Oh no, poor little coordinate spider! Make sure your equation is solved for y. For example, if you have the equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 6, then you would have to proceed to solve for y. First, subtract 2x from both sides. So we have negative 3y minus is equal to negative 2x plus 6. Then everything gets divided by negative 3. So y is equal to negative 2x divided by negative 3 plus 6 divided by negative 3. And your equation simplifies to y is equal to 2/3 x minus 2. This is considered y equals form since y is solved on the and is equal to the rest of the equation. Our calculators can only graph a y equals equation. To enter the equation into our graphing calculator, you will want to go to the y equals menu. We go to the y equals menu by clicking the y equals button, and then proceed to type in parentheses 2 divided by 3, close parentheses. Your X button is this button that says X, T, theta, N. So click on that and then push -2. When finished, your screen should look like this. The parentheses around the fraction is important since your calculator does not know to follow order of operations. So putting parentheses around all fractions in your calculator is a good habit to have. To graph the equation, push the graph button. Your graph should look like mine on the normal setting for the window. If you cannot see all your graph and need to adjust, it is helpful to click the zoom button and go to Z standard. Z standard changes your window so that your x-axis goes from 10 to negative 10, and so does your y. Keep in mind that your screen is a rectangle, so your graph will be a little skewed because of this fact. After you have Z standard highlighted, push enter to have the graph regraph with the new standard window. Your calculator is helpful in providing you the XY table for your graph. To get to the table, we will have to press the second button, so that way we can get to all of the yellow or smaller text, and then graph to get to the table. You can see the word table above the graph button, meaning that I had to press second first, and then the graph button to get to the XY table. When you are on the XY table, press the up and down buttons to scroll through all the different pairs of x and y values. The XY table shows me that, for example, when I have an x value of 0, I have a y value of -2. So I can use this XY table to write down all my ordered pairs for this line. Another example would be the point 1, comma, negative 1.3, repeating.